eyvah, eyvah. Eyvah, eyvah. Ay eyvah, eyvah, eyvah. Gitti, gitti, gitti.
New York is in a state of emergency. Overnight, one of the most powerful winter storms in decades has turned entire cities into frozen wastelands. Roads are buried under mountains of snow, power lines are collapsing, and emergency services are overwhelmed. This is not just another winter storm. This is a catastrophic event pushing communities to their breaking point. And the worst part? It's still not over. By February 20th, what was expected to be a routine snowstorm had escalated into a full-blown disaster. Over 7 feet, 2.1 meters, of snow had already fallen, with winds howling at speeds of up to 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour. Whiteout conditions made visibility almost zero, turning roads into death traps. Residents who dared to venture outside found themselves stranded, their vehicles swallowed by relentless snowdrifts. Some were forced to abandon their cars and seek shelter on foot, battling against bone-chilling temperatures of -15 degrees Fahrenheit, -26 degrees Celsius, with wind chills even lower. "I've never seen anything like this in my life," one stranded driver recalled. "The snow came down so fast we couldn't even see the car in front of us. Then suddenly we were just stuck. No way forward, no way back. Just cold, freezing cold." In Williamstown, a massive warehouse roof caved in, trapping workers inside. Miraculously, all were rescued, but the facility was completely destroyed. Nearby, a historic church's roof partially collapsed, leaving a gaping hole in the sanctuary as snow poured in like an avalanche. Hospitals are reporting an influx of injuries from hypothermia, frostbite, and car accidents. Emergency rooms are full, and responders are struggling to reach those in need. The situation is dire, and time is running out. As roads remain buried and supply chains grind to a halt, the region is facing a major crisis: a severe shortage of road salt. A crucial shipment of 3,000 tons of salt was delayed for weeks, arriving only hours before roads became impassable. Meanwhile, plow trucks are running out of fuel, and mechanics can't keep up with the constant breakdowns. With snow still falling, clearing the streets is an impossible battle. Grocery store shelves are empty. Fuel is running low. People are stuck in their homes with no way out. The storm has crippled the region, and survival is becoming increasingly difficult. As emergency services struggle, ordinary people are stepping up. Volunteers with snowmobiles and ATVs are braving the storm to deliver food, water, and medical supplies to those trapped in their homes. A father and son team managed to pull an elderly couple from their freezing home just in time. "We knew if we didn't get to them, they wouldn't make it through the night," the son said. "We had to do something." Across the region, neighbors are checking on each other, sharing firewood, and offering shelter to those in need. It's a testament to the resilience of the human spirit. But with no end to the storm in sight, how much longer can they hold on? Meteorologists warn that climate change is making extreme winter storms more frequent and unpredictable. Warmer ocean temperatures provide more moisture, making snowstorms more intense. Meanwhile, Arctic blasts are pushing further south, bringing extreme cold and heavy snowfall to unexpected regions. Aging infrastructure and lack of preparedness could mean disasters like this will only become more common in the future. So the question remains, are we prepared for the next big storm? Or will we be caught off guard once again? What do you think needs to be done to prevent disasters like this? Should cities invest more in winter preparedness? Let us know in the comments below. And if you found this report informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Mega Disaster Files for more updates on extreme weather and natural catastrophes worldwide. Stay safe, stay aware, and stay prepared.